What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. In this video, I'm going to be going over my pros and cons on the new Nokia X100. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. We have the new Nokia X100. I believe they have an unlocked version of this phone, but this device I did get from Metro by T-Mobile, and it is going to be offered, I think, at a few other carriers if you guys are interested. But I'm going to be going over the things I like about this device and the things I dislike about this device. Also, if you guys have any other opinions, definitely leave them in the comment section down below, as they are appreciated. But starting off with the pros, the first pro that I wanted to go ahead and show you guys is that this is pretty much a stock Android interface. I really do enjoy stock Android. As you guys know, if you've been watching, we do have some Metro by T-Mobile bloatware on here, but the unlocked version shouldn't have any of that. And in the day and age when everybody has their own custom UI, it's really refreshing to see brands like Nokia and Motorola have a stock Android interface. It just looks very nice, pure and vanilla. And I've always enjoyed that about Android devices and Google devices as well. The second pro about this device, and I thought this was actually really cool, is that we actually receive NFC on this device. In 2021 and now even in 2022, it seems like a lot of budget-friendly devices don't have NFC. And a lot more people are using things like Google Pay and, just sending files and photos and stuff like that with the tap of the back of their phone. So it's really cool that we have that NFC there for the efficiency and the ease. The other great thing about this device is we actually have Gorilla Glass 3 protection. So if you guys drop this on the ground, it's not going to crack as easy as devices that don't have any protection rating. Nice to see Gorilla Glass 3. And what's weird is a lot of different companies, especially in the budget realm, are not putting any sort of glass protection to cover the screen. It seems like no phones are getting Gorilla Glass or anything anymore in the budget place. So it's nice to see that we have that over here at Nokia. And the fourth pro about this device has to be that this is a 5G enabled device that is actually budget friendly. And in 2022, we do have a few devices that have come out that are budget friendly. But as you guys see, we have 5G now on here, and it's nice to see you can get a phone on the cheap that has 5G, stock Android, and a bunch of other things. And the last pro on this device is going to be paired with a couple of pros. Number one, a long-lasting battery. So we have 4,470 milliamps inside of this device. It is non-removable, but it does last about all day. I'm probably going to be around 25% at the end of the day. If I'm using it like moderately to heavy, it's probably around 25 to 20%. So it's honestly a really good battery life. The other thing about this device as well is we have Quick Charge 3.0 and we have 18-watt fast charging, so that's nice to see. We also have a charger brick inside of here, and a few other devices like the A13 5G, I'm pretty sure the new A53, and a couple more do not have the power brick inside of here. So the Nokia X100 has that, as well as the data cable and everything else. As far as the cons on this device, this has no water and dust resistance rating. There's a lot of devices, especially in the budget realm, that don't have any water resistance or dust resistance. So that kind of sucks that we don't have it on this device. Second con is that this is only going to be a 60 Hz display. Now I was hoping Nokia would kind of step up their game. I was thinking that this was going to be at least 90 Hz because so many devices are getting 90 to 120 Hz that are in the budget realm right now, and I was hoping this was going to happen. They stayed with 60. Honestly, it's not a huge con, but it's kind of disappointing. I think most people would be fine with the screen though. It's big, beautiful, and honestly pretty solid all around. Third con about this device, now this may be a pro to you, but this is such a thick and heavy phone. So if you guys don't like thick and heavy phones, I probably wouldn't go with this. This is very big phone, very thick, very heavy. Honestly reminds me of the Moto G Stylus 5G. And probably even a little bit heavier. So as far as a form factor weight, I don't really like it too much. But some people are into that. And the last con is honestly pretty obvious. We have a huge bezel at the bottom of the screen, and we have a huge bezel around the screen as well. Now the screen does look good, and it is going to be full HD plus. but we have a huge bezel around it, and we have a high PPI, so that's something else that's really good on this device. We have a PPI of 395, but that bezel around the device I do not really like, and I think a lot of people can agree with that as well. But the bezel's thick on here. Yeah, guys, those are my pros and cons on the new Nokia X100. Honestly, I think this is still a very, very solid phone. My review and other videos on this device will be coming out soon, and yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below as well as subscribing if you're not part of the Tech Gang already. Also, hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Safan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.